Hey everyone, friends, Weller here. Today I'll show you how to take a screenshot on an Android phone. Usually it's done with two buttons, the volume up button and the power button pressed together. Well, I mean you press them. For example, on Android phones you can do this with a gesture. Just like this and you've taken a screenshot. Let me delete it now. There. Or you can check the settings for other screenshot options. Let's go into settings. And here we type screenshot. So take a screenshot. And here you can configure all the methods for taking screenshots. Long press the home button, long press the menu button, long press the back button, or the volume buttons. Well, more precisely, the power button and home button, the power button and menu button, and the power button and back button. There, you can choose different combinations. This was Weller. See you all later.